Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Ladbrokes username or profile name inside your Ladbrokes app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so go ahead and open up your Ladbrokes app on your phone as you normally would. Then you'll be brought to the home page here. Now from here, we need to click onto the your profile. So click onto more, and then you'll see your profile at the top here, Luke. So I'm going to click on complete your profile. And from here, I'm going to change my name. So at the moment, it's called Competitive Medal 516. Horrible name. So I'm going to change it to an even more horrible name, to Tutorial Wiz. So I'm going to click on the pencil icon, get rid of all that stuff. And now I'm going to change it to Tutorial Wiz, like so. And then you can tick this box here, which says by default, all bets are automatically shared to your profile. Tap here to turn off this feature. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and click confirm. Now that's going to go ahead and change my username. So if I go continue, if I come back to more, there it is. My name has been changed.